And they're off. Night Song immediately going to the lead and gets there. Night Song takes the lead under the line the first time, immediately taken in hand here by Manuel Franco. And with that, Center Court and Fillies both move up after the lead. And farther back down on the inside, it's Nellie Cashman racing fourth early going. And then Strathnaver and the early trailer will be Abaco. So it's Night Song, the long shot leader. Center Court runs in second, and the one to beat Fillies settles right there in mid-pack, 3 lengths off front-running Night Song. Then it's Nellie Cashman running along in fourth. Strathnaver sets up outside. Late-running Abaco settles into an easy beat, reserved at the back of the pack. So up the back stretch they go. 23 and 4 was the opening quarter mile. Night Song sets the pace, 3/4 of a length. Center Court in no hurry to go by. Fillies right up there. Down toward the inside, Nellie Cashman moves up a couple spots. After a 48 and 4/2 miles, Strathnaver and Abaco complete the field. There's less than a half mile to go. And it's still big long shot. Night Song leading the way. Center Court still content to be second. And Fillies edges ever closer. Third on the outside, just a length off the lead now. Down toward the inside, Nellie Cashman. Strathnaver and Abaco only has 3 lengths to make up. And the length of the stretch to do it as the field turns for home. Night Song, Center Court, then Fillies, and Abaco swings outside. Strathnaver comes on through between horses. Nellie Cashman down toward the rail. Center Court's got the lead. Strathnaver coming hard on the outside. Fillies not today. Nellie Cashman down toward the rail. Abaco keeps on coming. Abaco, Strathnaver. Abaco, Strathnaver. Abaco got it by a thrilling head over Strathnaver. Nellie Cashman was third. Fillies chugs home last.